This is a meditation to help you change bad patterns of behavior, choices, or what happens to you in life.
I invite you to embrace this truth. I invite you to transcend what you've known as normal. Welcome to Wildflowing Fire.
Begin to breathe into your core. Be curious about the rhythm and depth of breath that will help you focus on your navel chakra. Allow your attention to create space to deepen your breathing while you maintain your focus. And as you breathe, contemplate a recurring situation in which you seem to make the same kind of mistake. Remember 3 instances of doing something similar that you wish you didn't do. And while breathing into your core, imagine one of these circumstances. Contemplate as if there is a cloud of negative energy that you get wrapped up within during such times. And shift your attention to the top of your lungs, focusing around the collarbone and the access to the lung chakra. Intentionally fill your lungs with each breath and cherish the full breath a little longer before slowly allowing the air to release. And begin to imagine doing something differently next time. The next time you feel the presence of this cloud, you enter it with a new intention. That next time is now. Sense the presence of the negative energy to which you have reacted and see yourself behaving in a healthy way. And add a simple gesture, choose it now, that you will include in your response at this time to help you remember. Perhaps you put a hand on your heart, or pause and take 3 breaths before proceeding. And sense your attention shifting to your third eye, breathing just above the eyebrows and the bridge of the nose. Step through in your imagination, seeing yourself, sense the presence, anticipate the negative reaction, bend in the healthy way, and remember your cue. And sense what it feels like to remember this, the joy that you are gaining a sense of awareness about formerly unconscious habits. And in your third eye, imagine after this experience, smiling that you have succeeded in shifting your pattern of behavior. And even if your response is imperfect, recognize that this practice has influenced you in a positive way. and shift down to your heart and breathe with the trust that love wins.